Din, 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 din. I know, Damamon. It sure isn't. It sure is, Morty. I had crappy weather. Crap! I had crazy. What the? It's okay, Morty. I got a flashlight. Man, I'm sure it. I lost the connection on my computer. Well, there's some things. You can do like iPad if you want, and you can watch TV and you want. No, I want my computer back. Give me my computer back. Listen up, Morty. We're getting sick and tired of it. You have to do something else. You can do something else, or you won't be getting nothing. Don't you dare! Give me my computer now. Look, one more time. You're running out. I'm good. Ah! Give me my computer! No, 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 no! Oh my God, Morty! Why would you do that? You know you're not supposed to do that, but you didn't listen. You didn't do that anything because you didn't do that. Oh, sorry, I lost my connection to that. No, it's not. The only punishment is you will not only have your computer fall out. You will not do anything like getting to your bed. Okay.